Hello everyone, welcome back to Soya English Hub. Today is a very special day. A day of freedom. Just kidding. My beautiful wife Hazel is going away for the weekend to visit her sister, Astrid. She leaves me in charge of our two little monsters, Tommy and Anna. But how hard can it be, right?
Okay, Brad. Are you sure you can handle this?
Honey, please. I am a professional dad. We are going to have a great time. Don't worry about us. Tell Astrid I said hi.
Okay then, I trust you. Good luck!
Okay. My first mission. Making breakfast for the kids. It's still early. I think I have enough time to make some nice eggs and sausages for their breakfast. Just turn the heat on. Add a little bit of oil. And crack the eggs. Looking pretty good. Now let's get the sausages going. While waiting for the food, I should make myself a quick cup of coffee. It's always best to start a day with a nice cup of coffee. Wait, what is that smell? Oh no, the breakfast.
Good morning, Dad. Is there something burning?
It smells like smoke.
Good morning, guys. Breakfast is almost ready. Just a little crispy today.
Crispy? Dad, the eggs and the sausages are all black.
I don't think we should eat this.
You guys are right. But don't worry, I have a backup plan. How about a big bowl of your favorite colorful cereal and cold milk?
Yes, please. Can I have the chocolate loops?
And I want the one with the rainbow marshmallows.
Wow. Okay. Chocolate loops for Tommy. And rainbow loops for Anna. Enjoy your meal. All right, breakfast is done. Next on the list, laundry. The kids are playing quietly in the living room, so I can knock this out real quick. Let's just get it all done in one big load. Save some time. Now for the detergent. Let me see. They played in the mud yesterday, so these clothes are extra dirty. More soap means more clean, right? Let's make these super clean. A little bit more, and perfect. The machine is running. Now I'll just head to the living room and finish cleaning up. Hazel is going to be so impressed when she gets back. Phew, there. The living room looks decent. That wasn't so bad.
Dad, Tom, come look. It's snowing in the laundry room.
Snowing? What are you talking about, sweetie?
Whoa, look at that. Dad, the room is drowned in bubbles.
Oh my goodness. I think I used way too much soap.
bubbles! Look at me! I have a Santa beard, Daddy! Ho, ho, ho!
Okay, Santa. Very funny. But if Mom sees this floor, we are all in big trouble.
Should I turn off the machine?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Thanks, Tommy. Anna, go get all the mops from the bathroom. It's really slippery in here. Be careful, kids. More soap means more clean. What was I thinking? All right, the floor is finally dry. No more bubbles. I think I'm done with laundry for today.
Dad, my stomach is making noises.
It's noon already? Man, time flies. Okay, let's head to the kitchen.
Can we have spaghetti for lunch?
Spaghetti might take too long. How about sandwiches? We have ham, cheese, and some fresh bread.
Sandwiches are fine. Can I have mine with extra mustard?
And I want mine cut into triangles.
Triangles, extra mustard. All right, I'll make them real quick.
Are you tired, Dad?
Just a little bit. It's been a busy morning. But sandwiches are coming, I promise. Ta-da! Here we go. Lunch is served.
This is actually really good.
It's the best sandwich I've ever had. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Simple but effective, right? Lunch is over. Time to go back to work. Done. All the chores are finally done. Wait a minute. Is it already dark? 7 o'clock? Where did the day go? All right, dinner time. Hazel said I need to chop vegetables and marinate the chicken. Nope, not happening. It's been an exhausted day. I am too tired to even look at a pan. Tommy, Anna, family meeting in the living room right now.
What's wrong, Dad? Are we in trouble again?
Listen to me very carefully. I know Mom wanted us to have a healthy meal tonight, but Dad is completely out of battery. So, I am making an important decision. Who wants pizza?
Pizza!
Yes!
I'm in!
That is what I thought. We are getting 2 large ones, 1 pepperoni and 1 seafood. Deal?
Deal! You are the best, Daddy.
Looks like our dinner has arrived.
Here is your pizza order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, Dad! This is awesome!
We deserve this after a hard-working day. All right, teeth are brushed, pajamas are on. Time for bed, you two.
Daddy, when is Mommy coming home? I miss her.
I miss her too, sweetie. She will be back on Monday. Just 2 more sleeps.
Today was fun, Dad. But you were really clumsy.
I know, buddy. I really was. You know, guys, I always thought doing the chores and taking care of the house was simple. But I was so wrong. Mommy does all of this every single day. She cooks perfect meals, keeps everything clean, works on her own jobs, and still has energy to play with you. She makes it look so easy. Like magic.
Yeah. Mom never makes the eggs black.
Exactly. She never makes the eggs black. The truth is, kids, Mom is the real superhero of this family. We would be completely lost without her.
Super Mommy!
Super Mommy. All right, close your eyes now. Good night, guys.
Love you, Daddy.
I love you too. Well, we survived day 1. Barely. To my beautiful wife, Hazel, if you are watching this, you are absolutely incredible. And we appreciate you more than you will ever know. So, that's it for today. Good night, everyone.